Hello, good morning students. Welcome back. How are you all? Fine. Yesterday we completed action song of touch your head and touch your toes, shut your eyes and pull your nose, clap your hands and turn around, jump up high and sit on the ground. That was action song which we studied yesterday. Today we are going to start with new chapter. The name of our lesson is Sunny and Minnie. What is name of our lesson? Sunny and Minnie. Now what is given in this lesson? Sunny and Minnie are small kids, correct? Sunny is what? Sunny is a name of a person and Minnie is a name of a pet cat which is there in their house, correct? Now there is conversation going on in they both. Can you see? Minnie means what? Cat. Name of cat is given what? Minnie. And Sunny is what? Sunny is a boy who is sleeping in the bed. Okay, here it is. Now listen carefully. It was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed. Get up, Sunny. Brush your teeth, said his mother. Hi, Sunny. You are still lying in the bed? Get up, said Minnie. Who's saying that? Minnie is saying. Hi, Minnie. Let's play. Now what Sunny is saying to Minnie? First of all, when Sunny was sleeping in the bed, at that time his mother comes and says him that get up, Sunny, it's morning and you should get up and brush your teeth and you should bathe, correct, or you should take bath and then you should wear good clothes, comb your hair and get ready to play or get ready to go to school. Now all students are at home, so get ready to have breakfast. After breakfast, if there are online classes, you can see videos of online classes. If you don't have videos of online classes, you can do self-study. After self-study, you can play. Then after that, you can have lunch. So you get up. Who's saying? Sunny's mother is saying Sunny. It was Sunday morning and it was Sunday. Now, most probably, when do we have holidays? Now, every day is holiday. But then when we have holiday, we have only one day holiday. That is weekend. That is Sunday. Okay, and here it is told that it was Sunday morning. Sunny was in his bed and get up, Sunny, brush your teeth, said his mother. But at that time only their pet cat comes over there and what that pet cat says him that hi Sunny, how are you? You are still lying in the bed. तू अजून पण झोपलेलाच आहे का? I got ready and came. Now cats are getting ready or what? Do they take bath or what? No, but then after sleeping they start searching food, or then people those who are having those who have animals at their house, what people do, they feed them by giving them food, by giving them water to drink. In this way what happens? They get food to eat. So Minnie goes over there and she says that hi Sunny, you are still lying in bed, get up. Then what Sunny says? Hi Minnie, let's play. Without brushing teeth, without taking bath, without having breakfast or drinking milk, he is saying that come on, let's play. To whom? To small cat. Who is saying? Sunny is saying to small cat. But now what reply that animal is giving? Just see, human beings are more intelligent than animals. Why? Because they can use their brain, they can talk, correct? But animals, even if they cannot talk, but they have good sense. What does Minnie says to Sunny? That but you look so dirty, I am clean. She says that you look so dirty, I am clean, I have cleaned my body. You know, animals can clean their body properly with their tongue they can clean, or then they have their legs are there, yes or no, and those legs have what? Pouch type something is there. They have nails on their leg. With that they can clean their body if anything is stuck on their body. So what she says that but you look so dirty, I am clean. He's saying then so what? Let us play. Let's play Minnie. Come on Sunny, look yourself in the mirror. Okay, I will. Then what happens? Minnie says to Sunny that just go in front of mirror and see yourself how dirty you look, how ugly you look. Then what he says? Okay, wait, I will go and see myself in front of mirror. And he goes and look in mirror. आरशामध्ये जाऊन बघतो स्वतःला. कोण? Sunny. Then what happens? He looks so ugly. Hair are messy. Teeth are yellow. Okay, here it is given. Your teeth are yellow. See here, your teeth are yellow. Your mouth is sticky. Your hair are messy. Yes, I am looking very ugly. Sunny is saying to Minnie. She's saying that your teeth are yellow. Your hair are messy. And your mouth is sticky, as you have not washed your mouth from inside. How it looks sticky. Sticky means what? Chigat, correct or not? If you don't brush teeth, how does you look? You look messy. Messy means what? Hair are as you sleep at night, your hair go here and there. Your teeth are yellow. Your mouth stinks. Stinks means what? तुमच्या तोंडाचा वास येतो, correct or not? Dirty smell comes because whole night we keep our mouth closed, so there is a stink, there is a smell which comes from your mouth. So what you should do, when you get up at that time only, you should brush your teeth. That is best thing. Otherwise, if you without brushing your teeth, you go to your mama and then you talk with her and your stinking mouth gives dirty smell, correct or not? And then द पर्सन हू इज टॉकिंग टू यू, जे तुमच्यासोबत बोलतात त्यांना पण असं वाटतं अरे याच्या तोंडाचा खूप वास येतो, याने पहिलं ब्रश केलं पाहिजे, करेक्ट आहे ना? सो सेम थिंग मिनी सेज टू सनी दॅट यू शूड ब्रश युअर टीथ, करेक्ट? You should take bath. Then he says, yes, I am looking so ugly. After seeing himself in the mirror, he says, yes, I am looking so ugly. I like clean friends. Clean yourself and let's go to play. Yes, I will be right back. Minnie says that I don't play with people, those who are ugly. I like clean friends. Which type of friends do I like? I like clean friends. Clean yourself and let's go to play. Then he says, yes, give me some time, I will be right back. मी थोड्याच वेळात परत येते, okay? Then there is a process what Sunny has done. He is brushing teeth, then he took bath, then he had wore good clothes. After that he is combing his hair. त्याने ब्रश केला, त्याच्यानंतर आंघोळ केली, आंघोळ केल्यानंतर कपडे घातले आणि कपडे घातल्यानंतर तो त्याचे केस विंचरतोय, राईट? ही इज कोमिंग हिज हेअर. And then after doing this all processes, or after doing all these 4 things, what will happen? He will look good or not? Yes, he will look handsome. So then what, after brushing teeth, after taking bath, after wearing good clothes, after combing his hair, when he comes out, at that time what Minnie gives reply? Wow Sunny, you are looking neat and tidy. Let's play. Thank you Minnie. Let's play and enjoy Sunday. Minnie and Sunny are playing with each other. What happens then? She says, wow, you look so clean and tidy. Now let us go and play on the ground. And then Sunny and Minnie, they go and play on the ground. What do you understand from this conversation of small cat and a boy? The only message which you have got is that you should keep yourself clean. तुम्ही स्वतः स्वच्छ राहिले पाहिजे, करेक्ट नॉट? ब्रश व्यवस्थित केला पाहिजे, आंघोळ व्यवस्थित केली पाहिजे, कपडे नीट अँड टायडी घातले पाहिजे, ओके? दिस इज वॉट यू शुड डू वेन यू आर ॲट होम. यू शुड नॉट टेल युअर मदर टू डू एव्हरीथिंग. मम्मा ब्रश माय टीथ. युअर मदर विल ब्रश युअर टीथ ऑर वॉट? नो. So these are all 4 to 5 things which everyone should learn. Not only learn, you should be able to do. तुम्ही स्वतः केल्या पाहिजे. तुम्ही स्वतः उठून ब्रश घेतला पाहिजे, ब्रश केला पाहिजे, आंघोळ केली पाहिजे, केस ऑइल अप्लाय करून तेल लावणे, केस विंचरणे. दॅट इज ऑल गुड मॅनर्स. You should wear neat and tidy dress. If dress is not neat and tidy, you go and wash. Why you should wait for your mother to wash your clothes? Try one day how it happens. You are able to wash or not your clothes. That is the message from the lesson. Understood? Lesson is over. Do one thing, read this lesson today properly, and tomorrow we will complete. There is one question that complete the sentences. That completion of sentences, I will send you photo. You have to complete those sentences in your book as well as in your notebook. I will send you photo today itself. Okay? Thank you.